Welcome to Useful Words. Hi, my name is Leroy Glover, and on this channel, we're going to explore useful words. In this video, we're going to share how to influence your life with your thoughts. Your thoughts become your words becomes your actions. Your actions create your habits decide what you'll be tomorrow. Did you know that your thoughts can influence your life? The thing that you think about, the words you use to describe yourself, and how often you say them can have a big impact on what happens in your life. The conscientious thinker is in charge of their thoughts and the way they feel. You can change your life with your thoughts by conscientiously thinking about how you want to feel, what you want to experience, and where you want to go next. Your thoughts have a lot of power. You can change your life with them if you know how to use that power. It's time to get intentional about the things you think about and start using affirmations for better thinking, conscientious thinking, and more. The world is a projection of our thoughts and beliefs. So if we want more happiness in our lives, all we have to do is start thinking happy thoughts. What is a thought? What is thought power? Let's start with the basics. What is a thought? A thought is anything that passes through your mind. Thoughts are often fleeting and can be something you don't really think about too much, but they have an enormous effect on how we feel. A thought is a vibration in the mind. What are thoughts made of? You might be surprised to learn that thoughts can be made of many different things. They can consist of memories, feelings, and emotions. Even words such as I'm happy or I hate you. The point is, your mind creates them all the time, so it only makes sense to take control over what they say by learning how to harness their power for yourself. Thought power is the ability of your thoughts to shape your reality. Thought power is the ability to think positively, have a positive outlook on life. Thoughts are a major part of our lives. A thought is an idea, opinion, or a belief that somebody holds in their mind about something they have perceived. If you think thoughts all day long and manage your thinking well, then it can be said that you have a great thought power. Happy thoughts help to improve moods and make life more enjoyable for those who experience them. In order to live a happy life full of positive energy, we need to take care of how we think, because the things we focus on will happen more often than not. You may want to take some time each day just imagining all the good things happening in your future. I'm going to share with you a little secret. In order to get what you want, you must start by wanting it. Sounds easy, right? Your thoughts are the most powerful tools you have to shape your life. How do your thoughts actually affect your reality? The way you think and feel affects the way your life goes. If you want to be successful, there are some things we need to change about ourselves. Did you know that what you think about is what you get? A lot of people think that to change your life, you need a big dramatic event. But the truth is, it's your thoughts and feelings that can make all the difference in what you attract in your life. If you want to start living the life of your dreams, it all starts in your head. And if you want that dream life now, or at least sooner than later, it helps to know how to influence what goes inside there. No, it's not hard to do. Anyone can do it. The power of thought is undeniable. Everything that you are, everything that you have done in your life, and every experience you had has been shaped by what goes on inside your head. Your thoughts shape the way you see yourself and others around you, which can lead to a more or less happy existence depending on how accurate they are. One of the most rewarding things about being human is we get to choose our thoughts for ourselves each day. So it's important we do this conscientiously and intentionally if we want to be successful. Thoughts are made up of energy, which is all around us. What you think about every day has an effect on your reality, whether or not that's what you want to happen. That means it's important to be mindful of the thoughts we have and how they affect our lives. I believe that you can have a happy life even if it's not perfect, because there's so much beauty in the world. Implanting good habits in our imaginative mind with visualization. There are many thoughts that you can think, and if you want to influence your life, then consider what kind of thoughts you are thinking. If you want to make changes in your life, it's not always as simple as just deciding. You need the right tools and methods for putting those changes into practice. Visualization is one of these powerful tools that can help you implant good habits into your imaginative mind, helping them become realities. With visualization, we can create our own personal realities by choosing what thoughts go where, and because they're ours, we have more motivation to follow through with them. A simple technique that we recommend for starting out with conscientious thinking is using positive affirmations like, I am happy, or I love myself. Here's how visualization works. Take some time each and every day where you focus on one thing that makes you happy, and try not to think about anything else for at least 5 minutes. Now, we want to share with you some of the most powerful and effective ways to influence your life with your thoughts. 1. Think about what you want. 2. Create a visual for it. 3. See yourself having or doing that thing as it is happening right now. 4. Be grateful and say thank you every day for what you already have in your life, even if it doesn't feel like enough yet. 5. Create an intent or state of what you want. And 7. Visualize yourself doing the action while feeling how it would make you feel if it were already done. Now, I hope these tips help you make your world a brighter today. I'm Leroy Glover, and I thank you.